सब्सक्राइब कीजिए आयोटा इंस्टीट्यूट चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन को ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारा लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है।
Hello students, welcome to iOTA Institute Online. Today I am going to discuss about the how to calculate number of bond angle present in hydrocarbons. So let us start from sp3 carbon. This is sp3 carbon and the bond angle for sp3 carbon is equals to 6. Let us assume that this is H1, 2, 3 and 4. So bond angle between 1C2, 2C3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and between 1 and 3, 5 and between 2 and 4. So total number of bond angle are 6. Okay. Similarly in this case, this is sp2 carbon, this is also sp2 carbon, so we get bond angle as 3, 1, 2 and this 3. Okay, so now come to sp carbon, this is sp and this is also sp, so we get bond angle equals to 1 in case of sp carbon. So this is 1 bond angle. Okay. So now you can take a screenshot. Till now we have discussed about the number of bond angle in case of sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon and sp carbon. Now if we have carbon chain having sp3, sp2 and sp hybridized carbon, so how to calculate total number of bond angle in case of this carbon chain? So there is one formula, that is number of bond angle present in hydrocarbon equals to number of bond angle present in one sp3 carbon into total number of sp3 carbon plus number of bond angle present in one sp2 carbon into total number of sp2 carbon present in the chain and plus 1, that is number of bond angle present in one sp carbon into total number of sp carbon. Okay, so now let us see. This one is sp3 carbon, this is sp2, this is also sp2, sp and sp. So now let us calculate number of bond angle. sp3 carbons are 1. So 6 into total number of sp3 carbon plus 3 into total number of sp2 carbon. So 2 plus 1 into total number of sp carbon. Now 6 into 1 6, 3 into 2 6, 2 into 1 2, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 14. So we get 14 bond angle in this carbon chain. Okay, so total number of bond angle present in this hydrocarbon is 14. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot. Now let us calculate total number of bond angle in this carbon chain. First we have to see hybridization of each carbon. This is sp2, this is sp2, this is sp, sp, sp3, sp3 and this is sp, sp. Now number of bond angle equals to 6 into total number of sp3 carbon 1, 2, 3 plus 3 into total number of sp2 carbon are 1, 2, 2 and 1 into total number of sp carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So bond angle equals to 6 into 3 18 plus 3 into 2 6 plus 1 into 4 4. Now 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. So we get bond angle as 28 for this carbon chain. Now let us calculate number of bond angle in this carbon chain. This is sp3, this is sp3, this is sp3, this is sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon, sp2, sp3, sp3, sp2 and sp3. So number of bond angle equals to 6 into total number of sp3 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6 plus 3 into number of sp2 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 into number of sp carbon. Sp carbon is 0. So now let us calculate total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. Okay. So 6 into 6, 36 plus 6 into 3, 18 plus 1 into 0, 0. So 36 plus 18, 54. So we get 54 bond angle in this carbon chain. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए आयोटा इंस्टीट्यूट चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन को ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारा लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले, और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है।